The comic box does not claim to own anything in this video except for our voices. We got permission from the artist and we encourage you to check them out. They are seriously amazing. Here's the place. Bit of a fixer-upper. Wow. It's a roof over my head at least. Ma wasn't kidding about Gramps' taste. Totally not getting horror movie vibes right now. Nope, not at all. Jeez. What the heck is with all this ink? Did animators in the 30s bathe in this stuff or what? The ink machine. Weird. It's too dark to see. Huh? Bed? What happened? No one to talk with all by myself. No one to walk with when I'm happy on that shelf. Ain't misbehaving, we're saving room for you. He's gone. How did the candlestick do it? Ah, you're awake. Oh dear. Boris. Hold him there, Boris. He didn't even stay for the chorus. What kind of jerk? Okay, let me recap here. My great-grandfather's boss brought you both into existence through some bippity-boppity BS. And you've just been hiding down here, harboring the secret that every basement-dwelling geek would kill for. Yep. And you're not leaving anything out. Nope. Uh-huh. And what about you, Buster? Snooping around this here fine establishment? Intending on an extended stay? Hey, stop rifling through my stuff! Been there, rifled. And beige has never been socially acceptable. I moved out of home for college, and long story short, the place I was going to stay at fell through. And this is my last resort. I have literally no place else to stay. So you are staying! Well, I suppose if you have no other option, you can stay here. I have to tell Barbara. Barbara? You're welcome to stay here. But you're right. There's more to this story than we've laid on. Things left unfinished. But first, how long has he been gone? 30 years, and I've never got to meet him. He was a good man. You would have liked him. Everyone did.